So I am your maths tutor. In this session we'll start about introduction to numbers. So our first concept is cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So what is meant by cardinal numbers and what is meant by ordinal numbers? So we'll see the what is the definitions and what is the example problems and what is the activity we have to do for this session. A cardinal number is a number that denotes the count of any object. Any natural number such as 1, 2, 3 is referred to as a cardinal number. So what is meant by cardinal number? Cardinal number means naturally we'll start counting from 1 to infinite numbers. How many things are existed, based on that we'll start the counting. So if you see here right side pictures, cardinal number example. So here 5 people standing in the queue. How many members are there? So here five people are standing in the queue. How many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people are standing in the queue. You observe below that number of workers are 4. How it is 4? If you counting from 1 to 4, that is you can start from the right side or left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 workers are standing. So what is cardinal number finally? Cardinal number is nothing but counting of anything. So if you count anything, that numbers totally, the total count is called cardinal number. Next we'll see ordinal number. An ordinal number is a number that denotes the position or place of an object. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. So that means it shows the position where it is standing, where it is the located. That is, it indicates the order of things or objects. So in which order it is located. Order means its place, such as first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So if you observe right side figure, the people are running. So in the above image, you can see the position of the runner in the running event. So first person, second person, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So here eight positions are there, 8 orders are there. So this is called ordinal numbers. The numbers which is denoted with position, that numbers are called ordinal numbers. The numbers which are counted, that number total number is called cardinal numbers. So we'll see another example here. Cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers they are given. So left side, right side are there. Raj in first place, Arya in second place, Meg third place, Jim fourth place, Laila fifth place, Rani sixth place, Tej seventh place, Deep 8th place, Sam 9th place, Lakshmi 10th place. Example given above, ordinal numbers will help denote the position of the children, such as Jim is the 4th child from the left. Jim is the 4th child from the left. So what is the difference between cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers? So major difference. In cardinal numbers, we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The numbers. Normal numbers in natural numbers are called cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, that is positions. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place, eighth place, ninth place, 10th place. Like that, we will see all the places here up to 20th place. So we will solve some example problems here, what they are given. So we'll see the first question as, how will you denote the position of the girl who is standing in the middle? So position means cardinal or ordinal. Yes, you are right. That is ordinal place. So 1, 2, 3, if you give, that is, we will get second place. We'll see the second question. Identify the ordinal numbers from the numbers given below. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal means positions. That is, we will add some superscript. That is 12th, 18th, second. So that is the answer. Then third one, help Elsa to fill in the correct answer. November is the some box given emptieth box month of the year. So here ordinal number you have to select which month. Next question. Isabel has never read this book before. This is her dash book. So never means this is her first book. So select first one. Adam has to identify the position of the letter B in the given word. What will be his answer? B in the given rainbow word. So here if you observe that R is 1, A is 2, I is 3, N is 4, B is 5 and O is 6 and W is 7. So they are asking that position, that is ordinal number. Position means it is fifth place, 5 TH. In superscript you have to write TH. So thank you for watching. You can meet